Hello everyone, I am Deborah FitFab50. Thank you all so much for joining me today. It is National Ice Cream Month and I'm going to make it my own kind of special by bringing you guys a recipe for a brownie sundae. And not only that, you guys, it is low carb. So without further ado, if you want to learn how to make a delicious low carb brownie sundae, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. So before we get into putting this sundae together, I have to share with you, you guys, these brownie bites. I made these yesterday. The video is already posted. I will leave it in the link above. They are absolutely phenomenal, you guys, and I promise you, once you make these, you will never go back to going to the store to get brownie bites. They are that delicious. So, having said that, let's go ahead and put together this sundae. Okay, you guys, I went to the freezer and I got our homemade low-carb vanilla ice cream. And let's go ahead and assemble this sundae. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of brownie pieces at the bottom of our serving container. As many or as little as you like. Remember, this is your own kind of special. And now for the ice cream. You guys, this is going to be so good. Scoop there. And what about a little bit more brownie? That looks amazing, you guys. Okay, oh, forgetting about the sauce. So this sauce is a combination of dark chocolate and peanut butter, you guys. Yes. That I just put in the microwave until it melted and came together. So go ahead and drizzle some of this on top. And some more ice cream. Another scoop on top. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go ahead and set the ice cream aside back in the freezer because again, this is ice cream month, which means it's hot. So let's go ahead and put this back in the freezer. Wow, you guys. I'm gonna put some more of the sauce on top. And we are going to put a brownie bite right there on the side. OMG, guys. And there you have it. A delicious low-carb brownie sundae. And one more little extra touch. Some homemade whipped cream. Now this is ready to eat, you guys. Okay, everyone, we succeeded in making this our own kind of special. Absolutely delicious. And again, everything that is in this brownie sundae is low carb. Lord, I thank you. Make sure we get some brownie ice cream, whipped cream, and some peanut butter chocolate in this bite. Oh my gosh. Phenomenal. I promise you guys, this tastes just as good as it looks. My question for you is, what recipe are you going to make it your own kind of special? for National Ice Cream Month? Leave it in the comments below. And if you do in fact make this one, please do let everyone know just how delicious this is, you guys. And again, I want to thank you for joining me. It is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And please do remember to hit that like button and the subscribe button, because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content and they will continue to spread it around. Thank you guys again for joining me, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fat 50 with more delicious recipes such as this. Thanks again and enjoy.